I'm Rob Walker, and I've been in a quickie wheelchair for over 35 years. Out on that sweep situation. So. Football is actually very difficult. It's probably the hardest one to coach because it's not in a confined space. It's really spread out. It's also outside in the elements, and in Ohio, the elements are pretty daunting at times. This wheelchair was very durable and really helped me to be effective with everything I did with that. So I actually tried another chair, and the reason I tried it was basically it was a cheaper version. It was just a little less expensive, and they said, hey, why don't you try it? Problem was that the X-brace underneath wasn't as sturdy, and I snapped that X-brace 4 times. After that, I went right back to Quickie 2. No matter where we go and what we do, I do not like to have to rely on other people to help me to do what I need to do.